Today, ConMet's latest development for the trailer market is the PreSet Plus hub assembly, the complete package. PreSet Plus is the only fully integrated hub assembly to feature PreSet hub technology. And best of all, it can be easily serviced in the field. A patented integrated fastening system makes it easier to install and remove the hub and provides additional safety features. An optimized bearing spacer is designed exclusively for PreSet Plus. It maximizes clamp load retention, which improves hub performance and durability. A magnetic fill plug makes it faster and easier to fill and inspect lubricant. Installing the PreSet Plus hub takes only a few steps. Slide the hub assembly onto the spindle. Align the washer tab with the spindle keyway. Hand tighten the nut. As the spindle nut is torqued down, the seal is properly seated onto the spindle. Once the spindle is torqued to specification, the PreSet system is fixed in the proper end place setting. No additional adjustment is required. Next, find an open slot in the nut. Position the tab of the locking snap ring into the slot and spread the legs of the ring over the spindle nut to secure it in place. Your PreSet Plus hub is ready to go. When service is required, the PreSet Plus hub assembly is easy to remove. Disengage the locking snap ring and begin removing the nut. During this process, the spiral snap ring acts as a hub puller to easily remove the hub assembly from the spindle as a unit. The PreSet Plus trailer hub assembly, the complete package.